Recovering deleted messages on Uber Eats can be challenging, but there are a few steps you can try to retrieve important information. Follow these steps to see if you can recover your messages. Step 1. Check the app notifications. Look through your phone's notifications for any messages from Uber Eats. Sometimes, important updates or messages are sent as notifications, which may still be accessible even if they are deleted from the app. Step 2. Review email correspondence. Log into the email account associated with your Uber Eats account. Search for any emails from Uber Eats that may contain the information you need. They often send order confirmations and updates via email. Step 3. Access the help section. Open the Uber Eats app and navigate to the help section. Here you can find information on how to contact support. You may be able to request assistance in recovering specific messages or information. Step 4. Check your phone's backup. If you regularly back up your phone, check your backup settings. You may be able to restore your device to a previous state where the messages were still available. Be cautious, as this may affect other data on your device. Step 5. Contact Uber Eats support. If all else fails, reach out to Uber Eats customer support directly. Explain your situation and provide any relevant details. They may be able to assist you in recovering your deleted messages or provide the information you need. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on Uber Eats may not always be possible, following these steps can help you retrieve important information or get assistance from customer support.